Sir, fine.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Vivek Kumar and I am from a village in Hardoi district of Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my basic education from there and completed my graduation in 2016. I also appeared for NDA and CDS examination to fulfill my dream of serving the nation in the uniform.
This was your introduction.
Yes, sir.
What you know about the Raja Maharaja Harishchandra?
Sir, the name of my college is Maharaja Harishchandra and the name of local king of my area Maharaja Harishchandra, and one famous personality in our scriptures is Maharaja Harishchandra, Satyavadi Maharaja Harishchandra. He was very truth speaker, and there is a story that he, I think, sorry sir, I cannot recall. I will listen.
Mr. Vivek, you have completed your graduation in 2016. What have you been doing since then?
Sir, I have completed my graduation in 2016. After that, I appeared for civil services examination and CDS examination from 2017 onwards.
So you are just preparing for the examination,
Yes, sir. Government exam services.
government examination.
Yes, sir.
So you need the government job.
Not actually government job. I need a government job, but in limited areas like in defense or civil services.
Suppose you won't be selected in both of the services, then what will you do?
Sir, I am confident I will be selected in one of that.
Why you are confident? Just tell me the five bases.
Sir, I am confident because I am hardworking. I have been, I am already appearing for interview in CAPF, and I have written men's examinations. I have learned the lessons there. So on that basis, I am confident.
And what you know about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj?
Sir, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is the king, Maratha king, and he was coronated in I think 1674. I am not sure about it, and he he ruled the Maratha kingdom very efficiently and do many things.
Mr. Vivek, can you tell me the local problem of the Hardoi district,
Sir,
which is not alike of the national and the state problem?
sir, most of the problems are alike the other district problems.
Tell me the local problem, which are very different from the other.
Very different are not like the local problems are like social infrastructure and one problem is that of gender discrimination and imbalanced sex ratio.
Gender discrimination is still existing in.
Yes, sir, it is still.
How will you solve this problem?
Sir, this problem can be solved by education and awareness and incentivizing girl children in various ways. The most important thing is education, especially girls' education and awareness among population.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me the challenges which are faced by BSF, CRPF, ITBP respectively.
Yes, sir. In general, CAPFs face challenges like.
Particularly, you have to tell about the BSF.
Okay, okay.
Don't generalize.
The challenges of BSF are like the harsh climatic conditions of their deployment, be it Jaisalmer or on some international border of India and Pakistan, like some rivers and all these problems, and problems like proper infrastructure, insufficient infrastructure is still exist in BSF, and of ITBP is also of terrain, the problem of terrain, like high altitude areas, and there is also problem somewhat lack of infrastructure. We cannot deny that. And of CISF, CISF is actually very different force. That it's cost disbursement force. So it is not more problem of infrastructure, but still more diverse regions of deployment, most diverse fields of deployment. So problems are very huge. And same is I think with CRPF. They are also just like for example in recent VR elections. some CRPF or CISF, any forces deployed there. So it is insufficient infrastructure, local problems, not there are things. Yes.
When all these forces have their own challenges, then why you have given the last preference to the ITBP and first preference to the CISF?
Sir, last preference is have to give to one force, but I prefer first or second. So when I research about forces, I found that CRPF would provide me the CISF would provide me the opportunity to work in diverse regions. It is a pan-India force. It works in diverse fields, diverse roles. So that is why I prefer CISF, and CRPF also provides similar things, similar opportunities. That is why I prefer CRPF as my second.
BSF also provide the same.
So sir, BSF is third opportunity, third preference. There should be some force. So
And ITBP provides the less chances of
no,
selection.
that is not. But some force will come at last, sir. So I will also be very happy to join ITVP and serve in that force.
Can you tell me the brief history of ITBP?
Sir, ITVP was created on 24th October 1962 amid the India-China war, and it was created basically to guard the India-China border and India-China border guarding force to, to especially acclimatize and solve those problems of India-China border.
What is your roll number in this examination?
Sir, my roll number is 0804095 sorry 0804095.
Are you sure about this?
Yes sir.
It's your roll number?
Yes, it's my roll number 0804095.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are like watching movies, and one thing I like the most is talking to kids, playing with them and teaching them.
It is your hobby.
Actually, I do this in my free time. There is no particular hobby. That is why I have written no in hobby section. And the impression in my mind at that time was also that you need some certificate and to support your claim. That is why I have written no in sports, hobby, and everything.
All columns are no.
Yes, sir. That was it.
Okay, tell me about Article 32.
Sir, Article 32 is to ensure that fundamental rights are preserved. So, when your fundamental rights are violated, you can directly approach to Supreme Court or High Court. Supreme Court actually under to Supreme Court under Article 32. So, it is a remedial article. Remedy provides remedy.
Okay, can you tell me some officers like qualities?
Sir, officers like qualities, we can divide it actually it in 3 to 4 columns, like emotional qualities, like empathy, team spirit, and IQ related, like logical thinking, and your evaluative skills, and like physical fitness. These are broadly leadership or officer like qualities.
And what are the main elements of the leadership?
Sir, main elements of leadership, actually leadership is that you can motivate your subordinates for a teamwork in any team spirit. So main elements like you should understand their problems, you should lead by front, you should direct your subordinates what you can do, and you should also do that. These are main elements of.
Suppose that your commanding officer is ignoring your performance, your work, and मतलब वो कभी भी आपके साथ बदतमीजी से पेश आते हैं, आपको कभी कभी सबॉर्डिनेट्स के सामने भी बुरा भला कह देते हैं, आप क्या करेंगे?
Sir, I will focus on my work, and if I get any chance, I will try to know what he think about me and what is problem, if I so that I can improve. But overall, I will focus on my work, whatever duties I was assigned.
आप तो उनके अगेंस्ट एक्शन नहीं लेंगे।
Sir, what action I can take?
आपके पास कोई अधिकार नहीं एक्शन लेने का?
Sir, there may be rights. I am not aware about those, but I think for time, team spirit and those.
सपोज दैट आपका कोई जूनियर सब इंस्पेक्टर है, वो आपके ऑर्डर डिनाई कर रहा है,
Okay, sir.
अब आप क्या करेंगे?
Sir, I will take action against him.
लाइक
Like whatever I can take, like punishment, like salary cut, like whatever rights. I am not aware more about them, but I will take those accordingly. Whatever will be sufficient.
ओके, सपोज दैट अभी आप यहाँ से बाहर जाते हैं मेट्रो गेट पे
Yes, sir.
और वहाँ पे अलार्म बजता है कि इट्स अ टेररिस्ट अटैक, और उसके बाद आपका एक्शन क्या होगा?
Sir, as a civilian, my action would depend like informing the authorities. Whatever I can to मतलब जितना भी मैं बाहर लोगों को निकाल सकता हूँ, स्पेशली ओल्ड एज पर्सनस, लेडीज एंड किड्स, आई विल टेक देम आउट एंड कैन एज मच एज एरिया आई कैन सेव, लाइक नहीं कि मतलब उसकी फेंसिंग कर देना, दैट टाइप ऑफ, मतलब जो प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप्स हैं, वल्नरेबल सेक्शंस, उनको एक सेफ प्लेस पे पहुंचाना, इन्फॉर्म करना, और जितना भी एरिया कार्डन ऑफ कर सकते हैं सर वही करूँगा.
आज की नेशनल न्यूज़ क्या है?
सर आज की नेशनल न्यूज़ जो फ्रंट पेज पे है, कल के यूनिटी डे के बारे में है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर से स्पीच, यूनिटी डे.
अच्छा, कल यूनिटी डे था,
यस सर.
हम बता सकते हैं सरदार पटेल के बारे में, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
यस सर. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल was a freedom fighter, first home minister of our country, and he is also called Iron Man of India, and he performed very important crucial role in the unifying India. But various princely states it culminated into one. That is the main contribution of him. He is also associated with cooperative societies like milk cooperatives in Gujarat, and for reforms in agriculture, acquire, acquiring Junagadh and reconstruction of Somnath temple. Many great work he has done.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Yes.
Can you tell me the problem of organized crime in our country?
Yes, sir. Organized crime like fake Indian currency notes and money laundering and all these activities comes under organized crime, which actually also support the terrorism activities in some way, like providing funding and hawala and all these activities.
How will you solve this problem?
Sir, there are multiple agencies to solve these problems, and coordination, intelligence, and effective law enforcement.
No, as an officer in Central Armed Police Forces, how will you solve this problem?
As an officer in Central Armed Police Forces, whatever duties I will get regarding to take action, to arrest, and whatever intelligence input, I will do that.
Have
Specifically
you heard of
about,
Operation Green Hunt?
yes sir, I have heard about Operation Green Dot.
What exactly it is?
Sir, as much as I know with my limited knowledge, is an operation against left-wing extremists in by the Andhra Pradesh government. I am not sure about it, and it's a space. It has created a special force to act against left-wing extremists. That is what I know. I will read more about it.
Do you think that India is going to be a Atmanirbhar country?
Sir, there are some things which are very encouraging that India can be, like recently post-COVID restructuring of supply chains and more reliance of various countries on countries like India and India's own interest, and that is why we can say that it will be become success. Our demographic dividend, restructuring of supply chains, countries looking towards countries like India, democratic countries which can be reliable against China, and whatever companies are leaving China also shifting in India, Taiwan like countries. So in that way, and also governments main focus on these areas. So I can think,
You know what is the
I-
controversy recently going on in the Pakistan's parliament?
sir, yes, sir. Pakistan's parliament, actually, Pakistan Science and Technology Minister also gave a speech on the Pulwama. That is the thing. And second is Pakistan, a movement is going on against that government establishment, whatever deep state is existing in Pakistan. Various political parties came together under one umbrella, and they are protesting, raising their voice against establishment and Imran Khan government.
So how you see that controversy?
Sir, it has to be happen in at one day. So it is nothing normal, but what comes out of it, if they succeed somewhat in eliminating the deep state or diluting it to some extent, civilian government, if civilian government is strengthened, then India is, I think, more favor in it, because India talk to a civilian government which is reliable and on which we can believe. But at present, I am not very encouraging. I am not very optimistic about it. There are things also in present happen like this, but nothing substantial come out of it.
Okay. Mr. Vivek, you have to ask one question from the board.
Yes, sir.
You are allowed to ask one
Yes.
question from the board.
Yes, sir.
You can ask.
One question from the board. Sorry, sir. I cannot.
Okay, we'll call you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.